So we have a squirrel trapped. It's July 14th here in South Plainfield. And I just replaced the trap. See all the peanuts? I just replaced the trap that was inside. You can see it's inside this container. In the front, there's one on the front. So we're going to keep this going for about a week. And I'm going to take the ground traps up and then put gutter traps on. And then make sure there's no more activity, and then do some pest proofing, including wiring of the gable vents as well. Just make sure everything's good. This one won't go away. This one was actually going after the colonial mold, and I hope this is the one. It took 3 days to finally get this one, because we don't know if this is one. You keep spotting one, but it's always possible there's additional ones, so that's why we keep them going, the additional traps going. But it does look familiar. It does look familiar.